Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Yarn workspaces for monorepos step by step clearly. First, ensure you have Node.js and Yarn installed on your machine. Open your terminal or command prompt. Navigate to the directory where you want to create your monorepo. Create a new folder for your project. Use the command mdir your monorepo to create the folder. Change into the newly created directory with cd your monorepo. Initialize a new Yarn project by running yarn init. Open the generated package.json file in your favorite text editor. Add a workspaces field to the package.json. Set the value of workspaces to an array of your intended workspace paths. For example, use packages / if you plan to store your packages in a packages folder. Create a new directory called packages within your monorepo root. Inside the packages directory, create a new folder for each package you want to include. Use the command mdir packages /package for the first package. Navigate into the package folder using cd packages /package. Initialize it with yarn by running yarn init again. This will create a new package.json for your package. Repeat the previous two steps to create additional packages as needed. Once you've set up all your packages, return to the root of the monorepo. Install dependencies across all workspaces by running yarn install. Verify that yarn correctly links all your packages. You can test this by adding a dependency to one of your packages. For example, navigate to packages/package and run yarn add lodash. This dependency should now be hoisted to the root node_modules directory. You can also add cross-dependencies between your packages easily. In one package's package.json, refer to another package by its name. Run yarn install again to ensure all dependencies are correctly linked. To run scripts across all workspaces, use the command yarn workspaces run your script. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.